Hey everyone, today we're taking a closer look at a really nice solution for home and office security. This is a smart battery cam, and check this thing out. It is completely battery operated, no wires needed. You can connect to it through the app via Wi-Fi, has a USB-C charger, or you can plug it in as well, but it lasts months and months on a battery with no charge. You have a TF card right here so you can store events and playback events, record them, use them later to present in a case potentially. You have a reset button right here, and it's got little feet too, so you can actually just set it down on a countertop, or you can mount it from the bottom, or you can also mount it from the back. And this can be put on a ceiling, it could be put on a wall, however it is you want to angle it to have your best angle and viewing of the camera. And this has a lot of amazing smart features. Look at all these features right here. It has so many features. First of all, when you see the lens, you'll see all these little sensors. That's because this has infrared night vision. It has AI recognition, so it can actually recognize a person moving and it will track their movement. The camera will actually follow them. It's 2K HD quality. Wireless networking, of course, with other cams if you buy the same brand. So if you want to get a bunch of these, you can wire your whole house. It has PIR detection, two-way audio, so you can actually talk to somebody from anywhere in the world. You say, hey, what are you doing in my home or in my office? It's waterproof, dustproof. As I said, it can be placed outside or indoors as well. Completely battery powered. And you can even set an activity zone. So this thing is loaded with tons of state-of-the-art AI features and is battery powered. What more can you ask for in a camera? Really quality feeling, great camera and lens and sensors.